Let's now take a look at the global clothing industry and more specifically fast fashion trend in the case of Zara. Clothing retailers are thought to be key drivers in globalization because they fuel globalization via global sourcing, thereby contributing to transfer manufacturing jobs from the West mainly to East, but not only. So, what makes fast fashion differ from other trends? Fast fashion retailers do not directly invest in design, but instead are inspired by the most attractive and promising trends spotted at fashion shows and then transform these trends into products that can be put on the market almost immediately. This is what makes this trend unique. It requires that the retailers have rapidly increasing numbers of stores worldwide. Also, there is a need to connect customers' demand with the upstream operation of design, production, and distribution. Moreover, fast fashion requires short development cycles, rapid prototyping, small budgets, and variety so that customers are offered the latest design in limited quantities. Finally, a fast and responsible supply chain is needed to make sure that deliveries are sufficiently frequent. Here we present the shifted value chain of fast fashion industry. There are now new dynamic ways of governance. This is what we discussed earlier in the previous article. Basically, there is shift from captive value chain to relational for apparel industry because suppliers are now more capable to produce faster and in a good quality. There is now mutual dependence and exchange of tested information. The strategy of fast fashion industry is to ship fewer pieces in a great variety of styles which requires shorter lead times and high level flexibility. Shorter product life cycles is also a fact because the speed of fashion items is really quick and what is now in fashion may be outdated after weeks. So this is also why suppliers should be flexible and ready to adapt the quick shifts in fashion. Fast fashion industry does not have seasonal collection anymore as it used to have years ago because now instead it can deliver even twice per week new collections. So this tilted the balance of competitive advantage towards rather than away from firms in partially industrialized countries and this is not only because of the low wages but also because these countries provide quality and the availability of a large supply of highly skilled tailors. Finally, maximizing the speed, synchronicity, and responsiveness of the supply chain involves maintaining a rhythm of flexibility and requires greater integration in global value chain.
That's it?
Bound?
Okay. Let's see.
More to about that.
Your business.